Good evening, Satya. This is one more educational content about range bar, trading a range bar. So when I go to Nifty and say I want to open a chart, so when I click the chart, and I will do one thing, I will go back to the candle and I will go back to the daily. So now daily what you see, this is on a chart IQ charting system. It's not trading view. Hmm? It's not trading view. So this basically is a available in some of the platform, but in Dhan this is also available. Okay, this is also available. Now, what are the benefits of this chart IQ? Is it has got a bar system, it has got a colored bar system, step. If you like step trading, you can take up this step trading activities, and they basically step trading will give you. It is also available in the trading view also. Okay, so there you can see this is 1 2 3 4, and then it made a 5, and now it has made a 5 3 and 5. It is coming down to somewhere. It is, we are looking, this is a 5 wave, this is 1 2 3. So we are looking for another 5 waves to come and clock this 24,400 or 500. Okay, this is what we are looking, right? Anyway, that is step. And if you like a hollow candles, so this is the hollow candles and colored OHLC bars and a scatter plot. This is, you don't do this scatter plots, we use it only for some this thing, and this is a histogram. Okay, so I just shown you there is a Heikin-Ashi, there is a line break, and there is a Rainco, and there is a range bar. Now what is interesting is that range bars basically tell you the clear story. The clear story of a market that is having a which of the best directional move it is heading. Say for example, I will go to the range bars and I will select the range. It goes to auto select. Suppose I select a range of say 0.5%, or say for example I select 100 and I'll keep this. Now 100 point, each bar represent 100 points. That's all. Okay, each bar represent 100 points, and when each bar represent 100 point, usually this is where our entry will trigger. And no, I will not show you in that way. Wait a minute. Now this is the 100 point, and now what we want is that if we go to the lower time frame, for example if we go to the 15 minutes, it will take a time to convert that into 100 points and then make it to visible to us. So on 15 minutes we will go and we will go for the auto select. So in auto select 15 minutes is suitable time where it will go to 82 points. It basically exhibits 82 points per bar, per range bar. Okay. The high and the low over here, what it suggests that the market had gone to there, but it closed here. So here again we have a system which we follow, that is here one red bar ignored and this is kaboom. So this is part of that particular system. But if you want to make a foolproof, suppose I want to make it a very foolproof and I don't want to go with this thing, then you can go for the, you remove grill, you remove all those this thing and save it as a my theme first. That is, clean up the chart first. Then go to the studies, use a fractal chaos band. Now when you use a fractal chaos band, it comes something like this. Then you go to the settings, fractal high and fractal low. You do one thing, you remove the fractal high, fractal low. Keep the fractal channel as it is. Keep the fractal channel as it is. Basically, fractal is where change of the behavior is explained. Okay. Then you can use the second indicator is Bill Williams. I am using Bill Williams only. Alligator indicator. Then the third one is awesome oscillator. If you want to use awesome oscillator, or you can use MACD. You can use MACD. Okay. So MACD, because awesome oscillator, it will be very difficult for you to understand the awesome oscillator. Okay. So now many people say, okay, now this looks like something. How do we trade it? How do you trade it? Is very simple. During a sideways market, yes, it has its own toll. Toll in the sense, the toll will be very high if you don't know how to trade this. But ideally, when it breaks the first fractal down here, we sell, and the second fractal breakdown we add one more short. When the third fractal breakdown comes, we start putting a stop to here, somewhere here, adding a spread, because once this is broken, we know that this is the final stop. Okay. And when it breaks the first fractal over here, we add, we buy. When it breaks the second fractal, we supposed to add here, but it was a big gap, so we didn't made any noise in it. In fact, we sold somewhere here at 26,200. After that, we waited for this to come back to the alligator indicator, that is 13, 8 and 5. Okay. Now the fractal box has been made here. It has broken the lower end, it has broken the one more lower end, then it has gone upside. This is a typical behavior of slashing both the sides, like market is slashing both the sides. It is a typical behavior of sideways market. Okay. But what we consider is, this is the first impulse down, so we are getting one more impulse down. This is the basic idea in the trading. So when we see the price closes below this, then we will go for the short sell. This is when you consider a range bar. But when you consider a range bar, you can go down to the 1 minute. Just a second. Yes. Now this one is basically this is a today's behavior. I'll show you. It's a today's behavior. It is, you can see date, time, and it is today's behavior. In today's behavior, it has already given the first fractal break short sell setup, and the stop remain above this 25,870. I'm showing it on the spot. Okay. So when we go to the candlestick, say for example, I am comfortable in candlestick and I am comfortable in 5 minutes. Okay. I am comfortable in 5 minutes. So even in candlestick also, you can go with this. When this broke this first out of the fractal, this is your high, then it broke here. So only this is your 30 or 40 points is your margin. So it has entered entirely in a sideways. So it won't allow you to trade. It won't allow you to trade. This is the low, this is the high. Once this low has been made, it has not broken this low. So again it has entered in the same again it has entered in the same high. So this became a range bar here. I mean in the range this thing. So it will show you what is happening with the market. whether you have to trade or you should not trade. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. I will just try to open a chart. Nifty, yeah, Nifty futures. If you see the Nifty future, it is like this, and I'll make this. I'll make this full screen. Let me see. Yes, this is full screen, and this is on 5 minutes. You can see this here, and on the previous this thing, if you wanted to trade, it has already given the short sell over here, close below the red, it was already given there, then it gapped down and it went up here, went down here. So this was somewhere around about 100 points for you, 100, 150, 120 points. So it kept on going below the this thing. Then again it made a decision to go. It came above the alligator and then broke first. This is your entry. From here, this was your holding point, and it gapped up. So again from 25,600, 650 to 25,900 is your take home. That is around about 350. 1 minute. There are many VVVIP stay near my home. I think 2 member of parliaments, 4 MLAs. So this keep these police vehicles keep annoying me. Sorry for that. Okay. Anyway, now what I was trying to say is that these are very practical. These methods are very practical. For example, if you say you wanted to go with the policy bazaar, so let me take this policy bazaar. Yeah, let me get this. Let me get this on the full charting view, and let me take you on 15 minutes. So policy bazaar first broke out from here. You listen me here very carefully. You would have made. This is the futures I am talking. I am talking about the futures. Exactly. Yes. Here is in the first entry 1452, and this was your exit. Same day 1557, 100 points. And what is the lot size? Can you tell me? The lot size is कितने का lot का है ये? The lot size is 350. 350 into 100 is how much, my friends? 35,000 rupees is your profit. Can you understand this concept? Just 35,000 rupees, 2 लाख रुपए लगाया, 35,000 आपके जेब में है. And I am not, I mean, look at this price is so slowly. So हमारा यहाँ रहता है एक, ये पहला इसका फ्रैक्टल ब्रेक किया, नीचे आया, फिर ऊपर गया, फिर ये ब्रेक किया, ये नीचे आया, यहाँ पे कंप्रेशन बनाया. जैसे ही ये रेड के ऊपर क्लोज होती है हमारा एंट्री रहता है, पर मैं आपको फ्रैक्टल ब्रेक के साथ बोल रहा हूं. तो ये हमारा 100 पॉइंट्स है बॉस. 100 पॉइंट्स 35,000 रुपए आपके जेब में ऐसे ही आ जाता है. यू नीड टू लर्न दिस. मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूं कि भाई हाँ भाई ये आ जाता है, आपने ये बताया, आपने ये बताया, आपने ऐसे बताया, आपने ऐसे बताया. बंधन का बताओ, बंधन का ले लो, बंधन का बता देता हूं. अच्छा, ये ट्रेडिंग व्यू वाला आ गया क्या? 1 मिनट. बंधन, ये इसे फुल स्क्रीन कर दो. बंधन थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है चार्ट IQ का. बंधन का मैं 15 मिनट में लेके चलता हूं. आप हैरान हो जाओगे बंधन का, जब आप सुनोगे आप हैरान हो जाओगे बंधन का. यहां पे देखिए, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट यहां पे. सी दिस, फर्स्ट ब्रेक किया हम लोगों ने, यहाँ पे एंट्री मारी. यहाँ पे एंट्री मारना था हम लोगों का, एंट्री यहाँ पे था, यहाँ पे क्लोज हुआ. एंड सी द मैडनेस, यहाँ पे हमारा एग्जिट था. अभी मैं आपको मार्क करके दिखाता हूँ. दिस वॉज आवर एंट्री. सॉरी, ये वाइट क्यों आ गया कलर? वाइट कलर वेंट वाइट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई कलर वेंट वाइट। अच्छा, 140 पे हम लोगों ने एंट्री मारा था और हम लोगों का एग्जिट कहीं यहाँ पे लग गई 151 पे 10 पॉइंट्स। और बंधन का आपको मालूम है 3600 क्वांटिटी का है 36,000 straight away in your pocket. No kidding. Just absolutely madness. Absolute madness. और यहां भी ये आने के बाद यहां पे देखो वो क्लोजिंग के टाइम पे यहां ब्रेक दे देता है, यहां ऊपर क्लोज करता है और रिस्क इतना ही रहता है और कबूम, क्या बात है। 146 के आसपास हम लोगों ने लिया और 156 में फिर 35,000 रुपए हमने मारा। कबूम, जस्ट कबूम। उसके बाद फिर मार्केट यहां क्लोजिंग के आसपास ही ऊपर दिया, देखो यहां पे क्लोजिंग के आसपास ही ये ऐसे लाइन बना के फिर क्लोजिंग के आसपास हमें एक बाय सेटअप दिया, हम लोग एंट्री मार रहे, फिर कबूम, फिर कबूम। अरे यार कितना पैसा बनाओगे भाई, 1-2 लाख रुपए डाल के आप एक महीने में कम से कम 1 लाख 1.25 लाख रुपए बनाओगे तो फिर ये पैसा कम नहीं है दोस्तों। दिस इज नॉट a joke, but this is actually a method with a very clear understanding. आपको मेरी बात समझ में आती है? This is a method with a clear understanding. Without clear understanding, there is no method. आप हैरान हो जाओगे, हम लोग पागल की तरह पैसा बनाते हैं। वी मेक मनी एवरी सिंगल डे, लेकिन सीखने के बाद आप बनाओगे, उससे पहले नहीं बनाओगे। कीप दिस इन माइंड प्लीज, ठीक है। लेट्स सी, मिलते हैं कल, बात करेंगे फिर, ठीक है। थैंक यू।